Alright guys, I've lined you up today because we're gonna be going to the lake and defeating the monsters from the present. Who's with me? Alright, let's go. First we gotta gear up though. Let's gear up. Alright everyone, I'm gonna open the present and all the monsters are gonna be released and we have to fight them. Alright, let's go. Come on. When I say go, you guys are gonna charge. Charge! We came unprepared. Kill him! Oh shoot! Guys, we were Oh my gosh! Guys, help! No! Someone died! Oh! Respawn if you die. Just respawn, there's loot in the middle. Just respawn if you die.
I respawn.
There's loot in the middle. Come here. Ooh! Oh! I got him. No! Come on! Oh, I got one! Jack, come on! We're almost done.
Do that again. You almost killed me. Don't open it. I'm not there yet. I'm open it. I gotta get
Wait for RPG.
Oh shoot, yeah.
I got angler. Ow! Oh, there's a mimic. Come on. Someone help me with the mimics. Oh, there's a Labubu. All right, guys, we're gonna open another present. Oh shoot, we gotta kill the dog. Oh my! Oh, you guys already opened it. Next wave. Oh, this is empty.
Oh, shotgun. That's useless.
How are we supposed to kill her? How are we supposed to kill the Muppet?
I don't know. I could have before.
Okay, I got a present. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, I missed! Alright. I just need a good item from these crates. Okay, I could use this.
Don't open the present. Let's loot.
We have to open them for good loot. Hold up. Oh my actual gosh. Oh, I killed a bunch. Oh! Okay. Shotgun ammo? Yes, this is perfect. No, I put it in the wrong way. No! Bruh. Alright, I got this. Oh yeah, baby! Alright, I have one more. Is that a freaking mimic? I don't know why I wasted that. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my!
Have you seen a new animation on the spawn animation?
gosh, that scared me. Guys, we're almost done. Hold up. How did he not die?
Yo, if you guys find ammo, give me.
Open the crate, they give you a bunch. Oh my. Yeah, everyone reload, and then a second we're gonna start it again.
Let me get ammo first. Let me get ammo.
Move! I actually lit this guy up. Oh, it's not loading, it's not loading! Oh my actual... I'm running. Swim, 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 swim.
How did she not die?
We killed the clown. Oh my gosh. Go, 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 go. Bye bye.
Bro, I was out of ammo. I used all my bullets.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, for this round, you can only use a max of 3 crates. Oh, the worm! Only 3 crates. You can use anything on the floor, but you can only open 3 crates. Oh, I missed. Okay. I know, after we're done with this wave, we're gonna, stop. Poking. No, open it! Who opened it? Oh, I'm gonna die. Taking you with me, Buster. Come on, a lot. Shotgun bullets? Oh my gosh, that's... scared me. I almost cried. Chat. Stop breaking the present. We're going in. Wait, okay, we're done. Oh, never mind. Bro, who opened another present? Everyone, we are the only survivors. We were the only survivors. Everyone else died in battle. Why is my head like this? But good job, everyone. You guys get these too. Y'all all get the present. Merry Christmas.
Bunch of stuffs.
What do you guys have to say to the viewers? What do you have to say to the viewers, everyone?
Subscribe to Beans.
Yeah, you heard him. You heard the man. Anyway, thank you guys for helping me with this video. I'm gonna give you something for my stash.
Yo, wait. Where are you, Beans?
I'm in my stash. Guys, here's some Labubu's. There's Labubu's.
I have 2 gifts for you. Yo, I
Man.
have 2 gifts for you.
Thank you.
Can you try this out? Like, put it on?
Well, anyway, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you enjoyed or learned something from this video, make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.